Consumer Protection Act 1986, an act to provide for the better protection of the interest of consumers and for that purpose to make provision for the establishment of consumer councils and other authorities for the settlement of consumers' disputes and for matters connected therewith. Definitions. Appropriate laboratory means a laboratory or organization recognized by the central government, recognized by a state government subject to such guidelines as may be prescribed by the central government in this behalf, or any such laboratory or organization established by or under any law for the time being in force, which is maintained, financed or aided by the central government or a state government for carrying out analysis or test of any goods with a view to determining whether such goods suffer from any defect. Office means any establishment described as a branch by the opposite party, any establishment carrying on either the same or substantially the same activity as that carried on by the head office of the establishment. Complainant means a consumer or any voluntary consumer association registered under the Companies Act 1956 or under any other law for the time being in force, or the central government or any state government. One or more consumers where there are numerous consumers having the same interest who or which makes a complaint. Complaint means any allegation in writing made by a complainant that an unfair trade practice or a restrictive trade practice has been adopted by any trader, the goods bought by him or agreed to be bought by him suffer from one or more defects, the services hired or availed of or agreed to be hired or availed by him suffer from deficiency in any respects, a trader has charged for the goods mentioned in the complaint a price in excess of the price fixed by or under any law or the time being in force or displayed on the goods or any package containing such goods which will be hazardous to life and safety when used or being suffered for sale to the public in contravention of the provision of any law for the time being in force, requiring traders to display information in regard to the contents, manner and effect of use of such goods, with a view to obtaining any relief provided by or under this act. Consumer means any person who buys any goods for a consideration which has been paid or promised or partly paid and partly promised or under any system of deferred payment, and includes any user of such goods other than the person who buys such goods for consideration paid or promised or partly paid or partly promised or under any system of deferred payment, when such use is made with the approval of such person, but does not include a person who obtains such goods for resale or for any commercial purpose, or hires or avails of any services for a consideration which has been paid or promised or partly paid or partly promised or under any system of deferred payment, and includes any beneficiary of such services other than the person who hires the services for consideration paid or promised or partly paid and partly promised or under any system of deferred payment, when such services are availed of with the approval of the first mentioned person. Commercial purpose does not include use by a consumer of goods bought and used by him exclusively for the purpose of earning his livelihood by means of self-employment. Consumer dispute means a dispute where the person against whom a complaint has been made denies or disputes the allegations contained in the complaint. Defect means any fault, imperfection or shortcoming in the quality, quantity, potency, purity or standard which is required to be maintained by or under any law for the time being in force or under any contract, express or implied, or as is claimed by the trader in any manner whatsoever in relation to any goods. Deficiency means any fault, imperfection, shortcoming or inadequacy in the quality, nature and manner of performance which is required to be maintained by or under any law for the time being in force or has been undertaken by to be performed by a person in pursuance of a contract or otherwise in relation to any service. District forum means a consumer dispute redressal forum established under Class A of Section 9. Goods means goods as defined in the Sales of Goods Act 1930. Manufacturer means a person who makes or manufacture any goods or parts thereof, or does not make or manufacture any goods but assembles parts thereof made or manufactured by others, and claims the end product to be goods manufactured by himself, or puts or causes to be put his own mark on any goods made or manufactured by any other manufacturer, and claims such goods to be goods made or manufactured by himself. where a manufacturer dispatches any goods or part thereof to any branch office maintained by him, such branch office shall not be deemed to be the manufacturer even though the parts so dispatched to it assembled at such branch office and are sold or distributed from such branch office. Member includes the president and a member of the national commission or a state commission or a district forum as the case may be. National Commission means the National Consumer Dispute Redressal Commission established under Class C of Section 9. Notification means a notification published in the official gazette. Person means a firm whether registered or not, a Hindu undivided family, a cooperative society, every other association of persons whether registered under the Societies Registration Act 1960 or not. Prescribed means prescribed by rules made by the state government or as the case may be by the central government under this act. Restricted trade practice means any trade practice which requires a consumer to buy, hire or avail of any goods or as the case may be services as a condition precedent by for buying, hiring or availing of other goods or services. Service means service of any description which is made available to potential users and includes the provision of facilities in connection with banking, financing, insurance, transport, processing, supply of electrical or other energy, board or lodging or both, housing, construction, entertainment, amusement or the purveying of news or other information, but does not include the rendering of any service free of charge or under a contract of personal service. State commission means a consumer disputes redressal commission established in a state. Trader in relation to any goods means a person who sells or distributes any goods for sale and includes the manufacturer thereof, and where such goods are sold or distributed in package form includes the packer thereof. Unfair trade practice means a trade practice which for the purpose of promoting the sale, use or supply of any goods or for the provision of any service adopts any unfair method or unfair or deceptive practice including any of the following practices, namely the practice of making any statement whether orally or in writing or by visible representation which falsely represents that the goods are of a particular standard, quality, quantity, grade, composition, style or model, falsely represents that the services are of a particular standard, quality or grade, falsely represents any rebuilt, second hand, renovated, reconditioned or old goods as new goods, represents that the goods or services have sponsorship, approval, performance, characteristics, accessories, uses or benefits which such goods or services do not have, represents that the seller or a supplier has a sponsorship or approval or affiliation which such seller or supplier does not have, makes a false or misleading representation concerning the need for or the usefulness of any goods or services, gives to the public any warranty of guarantee of the performance, efficacy or length of life of a product or of any goods that is not based on an adequate or proper test thereof, provided that where a defense is raised to the effect that such warranty or guarantee is based on adequate or proper test, the burden of proof of such defense shall lie on the person raising such defense, makes to the public a representation in a form that purports to be a warranty or guarantee of a product or of any goods or services or a promise to replace, maintain or repair any article or any part thereof or to repeat or continue a service until it has achieved specified result. Such purported warranty or guarantee or promise is materially misleading, or if there is no reasonable prospect that such warranty, guarantee or promise will be carried out, materially misleads the public concerning the price at which a product or like products or goods or services have been or are ordinarily sold or provided, and for this purpose a representation as to price shall be deemed to refer to the price at which the product or goods or services has or have been sold by sellers or provided by suppliers generally in the relevant market, unless it is clearly specified to be the price at which the product has been sold or services have been provided by a person by whom or on whose behalf the representation is made, gives false or misleading facts disparaging the goods, services or trade of another person. For the purposes of class 1, a statement that is expressed on an article offered or displayed for sale or on its wrapper or controller, or expressed on anything attached to, inserted in or accompanying an article offered or displayed for sale or on anything on which the article is mounted for display or or contained in or on anything that is sold, sent, delivered, transmitted, or in any other manner whatsoever made available to the member of the public shall be deemed to be a statement made to the public by and only by the person who had caused the statement to be so expressed, made, or contained. Permits the publication of any advertisement, whether in any newspaper or otherwise, for the sale or supply at the bargain price of goods or services that are not intended to be offered for sale or supply at the bargain price or for a period that is and in quantities that are reasonable, having regard to the nature of the market in which the business is carried on, the nature and size of business and the nature of the advertisement. Bargaining price means a price that is stated in any advertisement to be a bargain price by reference to an ordinary price or otherwise, or a price that a person who reads, hears, or sees the advertisement would reasonably understand to be a bargain price, having regard to the prices at which the product advertised or like products are ordinarily sold. Permits the offering of gifts, prices, or other items with the intention of not providing them as offered or creating impression that something is being given or offered free of charge when it is fully or partly covered by the amount charged in the transaction as a whole. The conduct of any contest, lottery, game of chance or skill for the purpose of promoting directly or indirectly the sale, use of supply of any product or any business interest. Permits the sale or supply of goods intended to be used or of a kind likely to be used by consumers, knowing or having reason to believe that the goods do not comply with the standards prescribed by competent authority relating to performance, composition, contents, design, constructions, finishing or packaging, or as are necessary to prevent or reduce the risk of injury to the person using the goods. Permits the hoarding or restriction of goods or refuses to sell the goods or to make them available for sale or to provide any service if such hoarding or destruction or refusal rises or tends to rise or is intended to rise the cost of those or those similar goods or services. Any reference in this act to any other act or provision thereof which is not in force in any area to which this act applies shall be construed to have a reference to the corresponding act or provision thereof in force in such area, act not in derogation of any other law. The provisions of this act shall be in addition to or not in derogation of the provisions of any other law for the time being in force.